Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm just going to show you how to edit customer details via the sales screen. So, log ourselves in, get the old sales screen up. Okay, so what I'll do is, I've already got a customer selected already, but obviously you can select said customer any way you want to basically. So we'll click on, let's go for that one, and then click on edit customer up here. So this is where you can actually edit any of the details. So you can obviously change the numbers. Obviously, you can also change the address or anything like that. So you know you can pop in your postcode in there, do a lookup on there, change their email address. So literally you have to do is just type it in. So I'll just change that to com. Save changes on that one, and then it's actually saved. And also they can also move them to different groups via this section as well. So you can actually click on there. You can actually assign them to all different groups or detach them from any group. So if I select them two, they're now in that particular group. You can also change their point values in here as well if need be. Say if there's something that you're moving up from an old system to a new system and you just need to get the point value up to what it should be, you can actually click on this plus and minus here. So say for example, obviously I need to give them more points or less points. I can click on there, gives you a reason why you're doing it, so you can just type in any reason you like. And then obviously you can then adjust the points by obviously adding an extra 20 or obviously then minusing 20. So click accept on there, and then it's minus 20 off there as well. And it's recorded on this system as well. Changing the credit days, any of the limits or anything like that. So you can have a nice little play around with it and do what you need. And there you have it. So yeah, I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Check it out next time. See you now.